I'm going to show you how you use this. Look at my hair on one side where I've used it and the other side. That's just air dried and how frizzy my hair is. And I just turn it on and it heats up. And I just pull the hair on that round heated brush in different directions. I absolutely can't live without this. I think I've had 2 of these already. And it takes, what, a minute and a half or so to get my hair where it's not frizzy. I used to have to round brush it when I dried it, but now I just use, what I do is I dry my hair to almost about 90% dry, and then I use this just to get that last bit dry and cut all the frizz out. Makes your hair very soft too. I usually section it. I do all of it and then I'll do the top part of it. That top part, only like 20 seconds and it takes me to do that. Maybe about 30 seconds to do the top. I mean, that was just one run through and you could tell how much of a difference